Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you a really easy and inexpensive way to make air fried calamari. Now, if you've been on my channel before, if you haven't, welcome. But if you have, I've made calamari before, but I made it deep fried and it was low carb and it was keto. But not everybody wants to deep fry. I'm gonna show you this air fried version that is really easy to make and you can make it right at home. First thing we're going to do is we're gonna prep our calamari. So you're gonna need to get some squid from the grocery store. I get mine at Whole Foods, and I'm gonna slice them into pieces about this thick. You wanna take your slices and just set them aside in a bowl. Do that for all of your calamari. When I go to restaurants, I love getting calamari, but calamari is not cheap, especially when you get it at a restaurant. They really overcharge. So getting it at the grocery store is actually way less expensive than you think it is. I'm over here on the East Coast, and at Whole Foods, 1.5 pounds of calamari is literally $8. $8 is maybe 3 calamari pieces that you could get in a restaurant. So why would I get it at a restaurant when I can just make it at home? And I do love the deep fried version. I'll link that video down below if you haven't seen it. But this is just a really great alternative and much easier to make. You don't have to stand over a stove to cook them. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Typically, calamari is coated in a batter that has flour or cornstarch in it. We're gonna be making a low carb, keto, and carnivore friendly version of calamari. What you need for that is pork rind crumbs or pork panko, parmesan, and salt. That's literally it. And of course, an egg wash for the batter process of the calamari. I love this brand by Pork King Good. This is my favorite pork panko. You guys already know, I've talked about it on my channel many times. This is my favorite brand. I'm not sponsored. They're just, I think, the best pork panko on the market. I've linked to my Amazon link down below if you're interested in purchasing this specific pork panko. I'm gonna take about a cup and pour it into this bowl. To the pork panko, I'm gonna add equal part of grated parmesan, and then half a teaspoon of salt, and we're just going to combine all of this together. This is going to be our coating for the calamari. For the egg wash, all you're gonna need is 2 eggs. We're gonna crack 2 large eggs into another bowl. And just whisk this together. Now we're gonna coat the calamari. So I'm gonna take my calamari and throw it into this egg wash. We're going to take it from the egg wash, drain any of the excess, and put it straight into our bowl with the pork panko and the parmesan to coat our pieces. And once they're coated, just put them in a separate bowl. That's literally all you need to do for this calamari. It's guilt-free, it's delicious, it's higher in protein. We're gonna do this for all of the calamari pieces. Now, since I'm making this a carnivore friendly version, I'm not gonna be adding any other seasonings to this, but you could add whatever seasonings are your preference. You can add paprika, that's what I did for my last calamari recipe, You could add dried parsley, dried oregano. Again, I'll link that other video down below if you're interested in seeing what seasonings I use and how I cook them when I deep fried them. All of our calamari is coated, so now we can place it into our air fryer tray. Now, I'm gonna leave the tray as is. I don't wanna put a liner in there because I want the air to circulate. That's how we get the calamari really, really crisp. So I'm gonna take the calamari and we're gonna place it in our air fryer tray. And you don't wanna overcrowd the tray. You want there to be just enough calamari to completely coat the bottom, but you don't wanna layer them on top of each other. Otherwise, they won't get crisp. You can do this in batches. Like I said, don't overcrowd the tray, just trust the process. You don't want it to be too many calamari in there because otherwise it just won't crisp up. So I've put my calamari in the tray and I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. We're gonna set our air fryer on the air fry setting and we're gonna cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I'll see you guys after 10 minutes. Take a look at our air fried crispy calamari. It's just, I'm so excited. It's so delicious. I'm gonna make a little sauce to go with this, really simple, spicy mayonnaise. All you need is some mayonnaise, as much as you're gonna eat. And again, this is to taste. Gonna add some gochujang, which is a chili pepper paste. Just a bit. Then I'm gonna add some sriracha. And mix this all together. That's literally it to make a spicy mayo, sriracha mayo. The gochujang gives it a little bit of sweetness without too much sweetness. Of course, for every calamari, you need a squeeze of lemon juice. I'm gonna take this nice crisp piece right here, dip it into our sauce. Cheers. Delicious. Delicious, crisp, absolutely, honestly, full of flavor because the pork panko adds such a nice touch to the calamari. Don't need the flour. You don't need all those extra carbs. Enjoy this calamari at home from your air fryer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.